Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you guys how I made this super cute and festive Dia de los Muertos themed birthday cake. So if you're interested in seeing how I made it, then please keep on watching and hit that subscribe button for more videos. So the first thing I'm doing is preparing my cakes. I have baked my white vanilla cake in a 9-inch pan, I believe, and I did one in a 9x2 and one in a 9x3, and the 9x3 cake I have gone ahead and cut in half. I am now attaching my first layer of cake to my cake board, and then I am putting in my filling. This is my strawberry cream filling, my most popular filling, and I will have this in a video for you guys coming out soon. Go ahead and repeat the process for your next layer if you're doing like me, which is 3 layers of cake and 2 layers of filling. After I applied the 3rd layer of cake, I am going around with my Wilton Quick Icer tip with some orange colored Pastry Pride whipped topping. I am covering the entire cake with this whipped topping, and then I will go in with a spatula and my Fat Daddy-O's bench scraper to make sure that I get a really nice smooth finish on this cake. The next step I am taking is measuring out bubble tea straws to use as support and cutting them and inserting them into the cake. The cake above this, I believe, is a 6-inch or a 7-inch. And because it is a small cake, I'm just using 4 dowels. These work great. If you guys would prefer a more in-depth tutorial about how to use dowels in your cake, leave me a comment down below and I'd love to make one for you guys. Here I am adding a piece of parchment paper above that, and that's just going to help so that when my client cuts the top cake and goes to remove the board, that it doesn't bring up the frosting with it. Here I have my 3 layers of carrot cake. I am filling it with a cream cheese filling. This is some of my Pastry Pride whipped topping, just mixed with a bar of room temperature cream cheese, and that gives us the delicious cream cheese flavor that clients are used to eating with carrot cake, and it works perfectly as a really nice stable filling. By the way, guys, if you want to check out my delicious carrot cake recipe, I will have that linked in the description. It is literally delicious. So now I am covering the whole cake as I did earlier with my Wilton Quick Ice, but I'm using some purple colored Pastry Pride. Again, going over with my spatula and then with my scraper to make sure to get a nice smooth finish. Once I was happy with the finish, I put it in the fridge, and this is now the next day, the day of delivery. I am assembling the cake, just putting down a little bit more frosting. And then I don't think I've recorded it, but I did end up putting a dowel through the whole center of the cake. You guys will notice that the cake is slightly not level, and that was my fault. I didn't cut the dowels correctly, but this was for a family friend, and I knew that it was gonna have a nice backdrop behind it, so I just decided to give my cake a front and give my cake a back. So I'm gonna leave you guys here with me decorating the rest of the cake. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and leave a comment if you guys want to see anything else from me. Please consider subscribing and giving this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which I think should be a really big and beautiful quinceañera cake. Bye everyone.